Okay, so this is the TRD. As you can see, it is fully depressed. Okay. Here it is. I put the TRD device back in. It is fully depressed. Now I'm going to show you the burner is working correctly. Also wanted to let you know that maybe this is part of the problem, but it's leaking. Hear that? So the tank is leaking. As you can see, it's drawn. All the smoke's going in. So it's drying just fine. That's kind of hard to see. So now I'm going to show you the flame. The door is open, so there's should be plenty of air coming in. You can see it starts out right, and then it starts to lose enough air. It's turning yellow and floating around everywhere. And eventually it's just going to go out after getting way hotter than it should because it's not getting enough air in. But flames all floating around, it's just plain not getting enough air in. And it is getting some, it's just not getting enough. And you can hear that water dripping inside there.